Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain the difference between HashSet and list in C#. So let's start. So the first difference is HashSet does not allow duplicate values, whereas list allows duplicate values. HashSet does not maintain insertion order, whereas list maintains insertion order. HashSet lookup is fast due to hashing, whereas in case of the list, lookup is slower due to use of linear search. In case of the hash set, adding elements is fast and it automatically checks for duplicates. Whereas in case of the list, adding is fast but needs manual check for uniqueness. The next difference is hash set uses hash-based internal structure, whereas in case of the list, it uses dynamic array-based structure. In case of the hash set, no direct support for sorting the elements, whereas the list provides support for sorting the elements using the sort method. In case of the hash set, it provides built-in set operations like union and intersect, whereas in case of the list, no built-in set operation, we need to must implement it manually. The next difference is hash set does not provide support for index-based access, whereas the list supports accesses via index. The next difference is hash set consumes more memory due to hashing overhead, whereas in case of the list, it is more memory efficient for small and simple datasets. In case of the hash set, iteration order is not guaranteed, whereas in case of the list, we can iterate to the element in the same order in which they are added. In case of the hash set, element removal is fast, whereas in case of the list, element removal is slower. So these are the some basic difference between hash set and list. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.